Hey guys, welcome to your 30th tutorial on PHP, and in this we're going to be just looping through a simple array. So we have an array here of cars, and this array holds this list of cars: Ford, BMW, Toyota, Nissan. Okay. Now to echo through that, or even to count, first of all we do a count on them, right? To count the number of cars, we go count cars. Okay. And if I refill that, I get 4. Okay, now I can change this just to show you. We can stick in here, let me see, a mark. So if I save that, and if I go back in here, we should get 5 cars. I hope so. Now there you go, we get 5. So again, that's just to count the number of items in the array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the next one, we'll move on to looping through arrays. I want to spend a bit more time on that, and I'll see you on that one. Take care, guys. Bye bye.